Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Open My Activity. Google.com. Once there, you'll see a timeline of searches and activity because Google ties that data to your account. Make sure Web and App Activity is selected so you can access everything. If it's off, you'll only remove local browser traces. Now, focus on the first actionable step. Use the search box or filter by product to locate the exact search entries you want to remove and prepare to delete them. Once you've filtered results, select items you want to remove. You can pick single searches or check many at once. Click the three-dot menu or delete button and choose a range, last hour, custom dates, or all time to remove groups of entries. Make sure to read the confirmation because deletions can't be undone. Google explains where data will be removed from. Also, remember searches saved in other services, like YouTube or Maps, may require separate deletion steps. To complete cleanup, pause Web and App Activity so new searches don't reappear, and then clear your browser history and cache to remove local suggestions. Make sure to check other signed-in devices and repeat the process there if you still see entries. If deletions don't show immediately, sign out and back in or wait a few minutes for syncing to finish. If problems persist, use an incognito window to test whether the issue is account-related or device-specific.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.